Hello viewers, today I'm going to share a little recipe that I googled because this kettle that you see was really black inside. So how to clean it from inside? And electric kettle, this one, and in which we boil water several times because it gets black deposits on it. It eventually blackens. And I'm going to use white vinegar as per Google recipe, but this came later. In my first rinse of cleaning, I used home available apple cider vinegar, and although the Google recipe just mentioned white vinegar, I used salt as per my mom's tip, and a wedge of lime, with just for that extra cleaning effect. So there we go. We are going to clean the kettle, electric kettle today. I have already applied water and vinegar in the first round, and this is going to be second round. So there you go. If you see inside, can you see there is still some black rim left, some blackish deposit left? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of it. Now 25% water and 25% white vinegar. There we go. Just bring it to boil. Okay viewers, so after about 10 minutes I threw the water because the kettle had overboiled. So please do not fill your kettle up to half point. The Google recipe is wrong. I have just tried it. Just use this first mark of the minimum amount of water, and use half cup of vinegar with 1 teaspoon salt, as my mother said, and a wedge of lemon. So there you go. Hopefully your kettle will shine after a couple of boils. And remember that I used the second rinse. Sorry, let me just show you the correct way. There you go. So yeah, so you can still see a little bit of orange. Now it is orange, rusty deposit. So a third rinse will be required. Please keep the kettle up to the minimum level, yeah, and just add half cup. Trust me, the water boiled and I was like, perhaps the kettle has stopped working, because when I switched it on, there you go, when I switched it on, I could not see the light. So I thought perhaps the boiling of the water has actually not short-circuited, but made it dead. However, as you can hear the sound, the kettle is very much working, but the light is gone. Yeah, so avoid boiling of water. Do not fill the kettle up to the half point. Keep it up to the minimum level, and just use half cup vinegar in it, whether white or fruit, and a teaspoon, because it's the same. I will just show you. Can you see the rim? Yes, it has lightened with just rinsing. I just rinsed the kettle. Yeah.